Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and your game is stuck on this black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert stuck on black screen easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform and now you're going to go to your Crimson Desert games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive. So you're going to go into C, Program Files 86, Steam, and then Steam Apps, Common, and now Crimson Desert here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the CrimsonDesert.exe file. You're going to go into properties and then you're going to go into compatibility, and then you're going to make sure that you click disable full screen optimizations along with run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to close out Steam, and now you're going to open up Steam, but make sure to run it as administrator. So just open up your start menu, right Steam, right click on it, click run as administrator, and then run Steam as admin. And once it's done running as admin, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your library here, and then you're going to right click on Crimson Desert. You're going to click onto properties, and then you're going to click onto install files. Here you're going to click onto verify integrity of games files, and let verify the games files. Once it's done with that, you're going to go into general, and then you're going to go into launch options. Here you're going to write -dx11 or -dx12. You can try dx11 first. If it doesn't work, then you can try dx12. One of those commands should most definitely work on your game. And now you can just try to play Crimson Desert and you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.